and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this very cute DIY Christmas gift platter. So basically this is a platter that has a bunch of sweets on it and it's just wrapped up really nicely with a big decorative bow. This is really great for co-workers, family members, friends, anybody that you want to give a very sweet treat to for this holiday season. It's also really great if you're unsure of what to buy for somebody. Chocolate's always the best option, especially if you don't know what to buy. And this is really simple and really affordable as well, especially if you're on a budget. So if you'd like to see how to make this beautiful gift platter, then please keep on watching. Alright, so first off, we're going to talk about what's going to be used to make this gift platter. So first you'll of course need some tape, and we use clear tape of course, just so that the tape doesn't show when we put everything together. You'll also need a type of ribbon or an already made bow, whatever suits your needs. You'll also of course need some gift wrapping paper or some gift basket translucent paper. You can find the ones with patterns on it, or you can use the plain one that we've used here today. You'll also of course need a platter to put everything on top. We got this platter at the dollar store, and they have really nice ones at the dollar store. They have like the ones that have Christmas things on it and very Christmas themed, and they have the plain ones like this one. So we stuck with a certain theme for this gift platter. So we chose to go with a red and gold theme. So that's why we have a gold Lindor box, Truffles, Ferrero Rocher, and these Royal Danish Delight cookies, as well as some candy canes. And you can sub out any of these products for whatever you would like to put in your box. It's entirely up to you, and you can cater it to the person that you're giving it to. Alright, so now as you can see here, we're taking the candy canes first, and we wanted to do something a little bit different. So that's why we're using the candy canes at the bottom of the platter and stacking everything on top. Now, when you're doing this, of course, you may be thinking, okay, the candy cane is probably going to break with all of the weight on top of it. But we strategically bought those types of sweets because it would not crush any of the candy canes at the bottom. So you're just going to place some tape on each candy cane just to keep it in place. We thought this kind of looked like a sleigh, like a Santa sleigh, when you put the candy canes at the bottom like this, if you get what I mean. But yeah, that's why we have them at the bottom. And then we're going to take first the Royal Danish cookie tin and add that on top. Now you may be thinking, okay, this probably crushed the candy canes, but it actually didn't, because the tin is not being pushed down and put too much pressure on the candy cane. Once you start putting pressure on it, that's when it would obviously break. So we just put some extra pieces of tape in place just to keep that secure. And as you can see here, we're adding the other pieces of our platter on top. So the Lindor, the Truffles, as well as the Ferrero Rocher as the crowning jewel on top of this platter. And we're just putting a little piece of tape under each one of them just to keep them in place. We put a little bit more on the Ferrero Rocher, mainly because it was round and we had a feeling that it might topple over. But that is why the tape comes in handy. Also, you may notice that we have a very whimsical look to the way we set everything up. You can arrange them in any way or shape or form that you'd like. This was just the shape or form that worked for us. Now we're moving on to the more difficult part of the tutorial, where you're going to be wrapping your gift platter. So with the platter, you're going to take this translucent gift basket paper that we mentioned earlier, and you're just going to arrange your platter in the center of it and have enough that where you can pull it straight to the top and there will be excess at the top, if you get what I mean. So once you figure out how you want to arrange your paper to cut, you just cut off a piece, and as you can see here, you're just going to pull the ends up until you have all the ends at the top with your hand, and then you have a nice kind of basket sort of arrangement, the way you would see those square gift baskets. So that's why you're pulling each section up, so that it can come nicely together, and then you can tie it with a twisty tie. Now, as you can see, there are some areas that weren't being able to pull up, and this happens mainly because of the shape of the paper, or just some areas just got loose and it wasn't arranged properly. And it happens to everybody. All you have to do is take some tape and you're just going to tape that straight down. That's why the clear tape comes in handy, because you can tape that down and no one will notice that there was some pieces sticking out. So you're just going to tape both ends, and we're going to tape the other side off camera. Last but not least, we're going to move on to the bow. Now you're going to leave that twisty tie in place at the top of the gift platter, mainly because it keeps everything in place. And as you can see us struggling here with this type of material, this is a very netted, glittery type of ribbon material. It looks very beautiful, but can be a pain sometimes to put on. So as you can see, we're just making a simple bow, and because of the type of material, the ends of it comes out like spirals, so it's really easy and it looks very whimsical and beautiful for this type of platter. And that concludes today's video on how to make this beautiful DIY Christmas gift platter. This platter is really easy and affordable, especially if you're on a budget, and it's really great for friends, family. It can also be really great for coworkers and someone if you're unsure of what they want for Christmas. Chocolate's always the best option, and everybody loves chocolate. So that's why it would be the best gift, especially if you don't know who you're buying for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below what you thought of the video and other videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos every single week. We hope you guys have been enjoying these holiday themed videos so far. We plan on doing a lot more, trying to do a Vlogmas, but we'll let you know on our social media pages. Hope you guys have a fantastic week. Happy holidays, and thanks for watching.